everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa. Today we're going to do a bloom pour, and that bloom pour at the end we're going to turn into a wine glass. And I'm just really loving doing these blooms, so I hope you really enjoy watching this. So the first thing that I'm going to do with my bloom is I'm going to get my pillow paint, and the pillow paint that I use is Sherwin-Williams Semi-Gloss Ultra White. The next thing you need to do is you need to mix your paints, and I use 3 parts Sherwin-Williams Base C to 2 parts Minwax Polyacrylic. Then I take that and add that to whatever color paint I want, and I do a 1-to-1 ratio. So you can see I've put the blue, I've done some pink, I did some gold. Now this green, which is cobalt blue, is too thick. I'm just going to tell you that right away. Then I've added this light pink on top of it, which is really pretty. It adds just a little bit more of a depth. I like layering the different colors. And then I add my cell activator, and my cell activator is 3 parts American Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam paint. I use black here, 1 part glue all, and then 6 drops of Minwax wood conditioner. And this is without the Aussie Floetrol. And then what you do is after you put your cell activator on, and you can see me doing this already, is you blow down and across the paint color. So you take that black, your cell activator, and you blow it across the paint, so down and across, so that way you get that black kind of gliding across, or the cell activator. Then you allow that to come back into the center. Right now I'm just kind of blowing straight down to get more cells. That creates this effect that you blow down and then it pushes up these cells. So I'm just going to allow this to come back into the center to see what I've got. And sometimes I see like darker, bigger black spots, and I don't really like that. So I am just going to mess with this center because it seems like it's got too much black. And my guess is the reason why that it kind of looks that way is because of that green. Remember, it was too thick. I should have went ahead and put some polyacrylic in there to thin that out, but yeah, I just didn't at the time. So, and then you just spin it out and get the paint to float across that base paint. And here I'm kind of spinning kind of fast. I want to get that center out a little bit more. And I'm seeing some more cells. So the cells that were small are now they're becoming bigger by me spinning this and creating a little bit more stretching of the cells. So it looks good, but I don't like the center. So I'm going to take this balloon and I'm going to do a balloon dip right in the center. And you drop down and right straight up. The problem is that the paint is just too wet and it just doesn't work. So I'm just going to use my device there and try it again and just kind of spin it around. And yeah, it's just not doing something. So I'm going to put some more of the paint inside there, the colored paint. And yeah, see, the white paint is coming up too much. So let's try that balloon technique again. And I'm just going to put it in the paint beside it and get some color and then go straight down and up. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. So a balloon technique really needs to happen when the paint is a little drier. And this paint just happens to be pretty thick too as well, because I've got that base paint in there. So I just spin it out a little bit more to stretch out those cells and to stretch out that center. And it doesn't look bad. I mean, like the outside edges look amazing. So, and that's what I'm going to use for my wine glass anyway. So yeah, because I'll use 2 little circles from this in order to do my wine glass. Well, there's the end results. And here are my wine glasses. Aren't they pretty? All right, thanks for joining me. If you're interested in seeing how I actually make these wine glasses, you can click on the links below or right here. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!